Hi, my name is Dmitry. I am founder at CADBIMHELP, educational resource for CAD, BIM, AR, AI, and other smart technologies. As an independent CAD BIM expert, I provide technical support for various software, including Bentley Systems products. In this brief overview, I discuss how easily users can switch from AutoCAD to Bentley MicroStation, drawing on my experience as a certified specialist in both platforms. I think time savers will like not only AutoCAD users, but any users of all software. Couple of words about stability. MicroStation is more stable than AutoCAD. MicroStation saves each command as you work, less crashes, less lost data, less do-overs. Saves your time and make you winner. Use commands over and over. It's a very simple benefit, but I really like it because it saves a lot of time. Just look this. I choose the line tool. As you can see, the line tool is active. I draw the first line, second line, but the line tool is still active. No need to go to the context menu or to the ribbon to repeat the command. MicroStation automatically converts units of measure to other units on the fly. Just look. I take the dimension and then can change the unit as I wish without any calculations and any edit of my drawing. With this benefit, you can use one drawing for different tasks and even for different countries. The unlimited undo tool is a really cool benefit which makes your work more flexible. Let's go to another interesting capability, not only small like previous, but big also. Such big ones, for example, point clouds. With MicroStation, you get a large list of point cloud files formats, which you can import directly. But when you use Autodesk software, you have some limits. You can import point cloud directly by through recap only. Also, you have a limit of points. All this trouble is absent in MicroStation. MicroStation includes useful bridge 2D and 3D technology, which helps you dynamically update. For example, we can take this hole in a 3D model and replace it. This hole will be replaced in 2D drawing too. Or we can change one of the properties and this property will change in all views too. Every engineer likes to work with two monitors, but MicroStation supports up to four monitors at the same time. When you work in other software with more than one viewport, you need to click to another viewport to make it active. But in MicroStation, you can stay active without additional clicks. How does it work? You create some geometry in one active viewport, then just move the arrow to any other inactive viewport and simply continue your creation. The new viewport becomes active automatically. MicroStation is all about the data because MicroStation supports more than 100 different data types and works with big data. Let's look at examples of MicroStation workflows without any comments. As I said previously, MicroStation works with big data and also reality model friendly. You can import 3D mesh without any problems, so MicroStation is a tool for digital twin. When I said about more than 100 supported data types, it wasn't a joke. And now you can see it is in this list. In the end, I want to pay your attention to the comparison chart, where easy to see that MicroStation better not only AutoCAD but other competitors too. This is end of my brief overview, but not the end of MicroStation's tools and benefits. To research it, I invite you to try MicroStation for free. Thank you for your attention. More useful content you can find on CADBIMHELP resources. See you on next video.